kung i-rate nyo po ngayon yung na-achieve na ng Coast Guard by percentage, maring 100%, ilang porsyento na po ang nami-meet natin ngayon na goal natin for the Philippine Coast Guard?
Admittedly, malayo pa kami. In terms of personnel strength, for example, wala pa kami sa kalahati sa desired strength namin o natin. Kung i-factor in natin, kung ang consideration natin ay yung mas malaki nating challenge na hinaharap sa ngayon, meaning yung sa West Philippine Sea. Sa equipment, medyo mabilis yung modernization natin. In 5 years' time, sa pamumuno ni Presidente Marcos, more than around 60% ng aming capability requirement ma-achieve na natin. We are very optimistic na in 5 years' time, ang Philippine Coast Guard ang magiging pinaka-able, mas capable na Coast Guard sa Southeast Asia. Patuloy yung pagsusumikap ng Philippine Coast Guard na ma-achieve yung objective. Sa ngayon, we are very inspired to learn na at least 85%, according to survey, 85% of the Filipinos believe that the Philippine Coast Guard is doing the right thing. So siguro
na-inspire po kayo doon.
Just na-inspire po kami. After all, ang basihan kung kami ay successful ay yung kliyente natin mismo, yes, ang taong bayan. So whether or not we can say that we are succeeding or we are good, hindi kami ang magsasabi nun. It should be the people. At yung results ng mga surveys is really very inspiring. So the Coast Guard will just keep moving forward.